Welcome to the ultimate guide to transforming your backyard into a paradise of relaxation and fun. Today, we're diving into the enchanting world of backyard swing seats. Whether you're dreaming of a cozy retreat, a family hangout, or a stylish relaxation zone, we've got you covered. From trendy hanging swing chairs to nostalgic porch swings, we've hand-picked the most enchanting designs and creative ideas to elevate your outdoor space. So hit that subscribe button and let's embark on this swing seat adventure together. Your backyard transformation begins right here, right now.
Creating a swing seat area in your backyard can be a charming and relaxing addition to your outdoor space. Here are some ideas for swing seats in your backyard. Hanging swing chairs. Hanging swing chairs are trendy and come in various designs. You can hang them from a sturdy tree branch or a pergola. Consider placing multiple swing chairs in a circle for a cozy conversation area. Wooden porch swings. A classic wooden porch swing can add a rustic and nostalgic touch to your backyard. Hang it from a porch or stand alone a frame from a traditional look. Swing bed. A large swing bed can be a comfortable and luxurious addition. You can use a twin-sized mattress and build a frame with ropes or chains to hang it. Decorate it with lots of pillows and blankets for a cozy nap-worthy spot. Tree swing. A simple tree swing offers the rustic and natural addition to your backyard. Make sure to use a strong and sturdy branch for a dedicated swing frame. Do-it-yourself pallet swing. Upcycle wooden pallets to create a rustic swing seat. You can customize it with cushions and pillows. It's an eco-friendly and budget-friendly option. Hammock swing. A hammock swing chair is a compact, versatile option that can hang from tree or porch or a stand. Great for lounging with a book or a drink. Swing set. If you have children, consider installing a swing set with multiple swings to keep the little ones entertained. Canopy swing. A canopy swing offers shade and protection from the sun. It's perfect for a relaxing afternoon or reading a book. Pergola swing. Install a swing on a pergola for a combination of shelter and style. This can be a focal point in your backyard. Swing with the view. Position your swing so it faces a beautiful view in your backyard, whether it's a garden, pond, or a scenic landscape. Swing nook. Create a cozy nook with the swing as the centerpiece. Surround it with potted plants, fairy lights, and comfortable seating. Swinging daybed. A swinging daybed offers the ultimate in relaxation. Hang it from a sturdy frame or a porch and enjoy an outdoor nap. Colorful swings. Paint your swing seats in bright, cheerful colors to add a playful and fun element to your backyard. Swing and fire pit combo. Combine a swing seat with the fire pit area to create a cozy gathering spot for evenings and cooler seasons. Remember to ensure the safety of your swing seats by using proper hardware and checking for any structural weaknesses. You should also take your local climate into consideration and consider investing in weather-resistant materials or covers if your swing seats will be exposed to the elements. Please like and subscribe the video.